This is the Stokke Clikk chair. The Stokke Clikk chair comes in one box with everything you need. It even comes with an ergonomic footrest, it comes with a tray, and it also comes with a harness. It has a sleek Scandinavian design and is suitable for children from 6 months up to the age of 3. And it takes less than 1 minute to assemble, which I will now show you. First, I take the seat and I click in the rear legs. Then I click in the front legs. You can probably hear where it's got its name from. The footrest goes on, like so. And finally, the tray goes on. And that's it, all put together. The chair's designed so it's super easy to wipe clean. That means the food can't hide in all the small nooks and crannies. You can even put the tray in the dishwasher as well. And the seat is super ergonomic, plus you have a footrest, which means sure it's extra ergonomic for the child. It truly is mealtime made easy for both parent and child.